Hi everyone! I'm now at a railway station in a southern city in China called Guangzhou. In this video, I'll share how I ordered takeout and had it delivered to my very seat on a high-speed train in China, traveling at over 300 kilometers per hour. At the end of this video, I'll reveal how much this special meal cost and answer the question, why is the official app of China's railway service called 12306? Let's get started. I placed the order while waiting for the train at the railway station. From some online sources, I learned that orders for food delivery to a high-speed train in China must be placed at least 2 hours in advance. For my order, I used the official app of China's railway service called 12306. Once you've registered an account, the ordering process is fairly straightforward. First, you'll need to select the date of travel and enter your train number. Then press the button labeled Start Ordering. Next, you'll see a list of all the railway stations along the route, along with the departure times at each station. Here you'll need to select your departure and arrival stations. Press Start Ordering again, and you'll see the station where the food will be delivered and its departure time. You'll also see a list of restaurants that deliver to this station. From here, you can browse the menus of these restaurants and select the food you'd like to order. As you can see, there are plenty of options. After comparing the offerings, I chose the stir-fried beef set menu from one of the 3 available restaurants. Then you'll be taken to a summary of your order. Here you'll need to enter your carriage and seat number. After entering my carriage and seat number, I was surprised to see that the estimated delivery time was 7:25 p.m., even though the train was scheduled to leave the station where the food would be delivered at 6:55 p.m. Why was the delivery time set for half an hour after the train's departure? Wouldn't the delivery driver miss the train? Although a bit worried, I still pressed the pay button and completed the payment via WeChat. Keep watching and you'll see if the delivery went well. At about 6:40 p.m., the train arrived at Chenzhou West Station where the food was supposed to be delivered. However, I couldn't see a delivery rider waiting on the platform. At 6:55 p.m., the doors closed and the train left the station. There was still no sign of my food. Had the delivery rider missed the train? I started to feel a bit anxious and wasn't sure what to expect next. A few minutes later, a train conductor approached me with a bag in her hand. What a relief! There was my food. The conductor explained that all the food ordered by passengers on this train from various restaurants was first delivered to a central collecting point at the station before the train arrived. During the train's brief stop, the central collecting point handed the food over to the dining carriage. After the train departed, the food was then distributed to passengers at their seats by different train conductors. This seems a very smart delivery system to me. Now that I've got my food, let me show you how it looked and tasted. I was very happy that the food was still quite warm. That's because it was packed in a sealed bag with an insulation layer which kept the warmth inside. This is what the food package looked like. Let me now open the package and you'll see the food inside. The set menu consists of rice, stir-fried beef, Chinese cabbage, and duck soup. The beef was surprisingly tender and well marinated. It had a nice aroma and was very tasty. The rice was soft, moist and fragrant. It tasted great when mixed with the stir-fried beef. The Chinese cabbage and the soup were not strongly seasoned. They both had a mild flavor which went very well with the marinated stir-fried beef. I enjoyed the food so much that I couldn't help saying the following during the meal. Well, where else can you experience this? At dinner time in a quiet and private cabin, while the train is traveling at a speed of more than 300 kilometers per hour, enjoying freshly cooked, warm, stir-fried Chinese food. Well, I'm so grateful for such an opportunity to have such a unique experience. By this time, you may be wondering how much all of this cost. Well, for the set menu, I paid 39 Chinese yuan, which is about $5. For the delivery service, I paid 8 Chinese yuan, which is about $1. So the entire meal cost me 47 Chinese yuan, which is about $6.50. As I live in the Netherlands, where food prices are relatively high, this seems like a very reasonable price to me. Since you've stayed until the end of this video, let me reveal why the official app of China's railway service is called 12306. Well, 12306 is actually the national customer service hotline number of China's railway service. Since this is a short and easy to remember number, they decided to name the official app after it as well. Do you think this makes sense? Let me know in the comments below. Well, that's all for this video. In my next one, I'll reveal something I discovered during this business trip about the waiting lounges for business class travelers at Chinese railway stations. Spoiler alert, not all business class lounges are created equal. After that, I'll post a review of my return flight from China to Amsterdam in China Southern Airlines Premium Economy class. I hope you'll check out those videos too. See you next time!